If you are a pet parent, you know the panic of loose stools or a sudden stomach upset. It is the worst. Today we're diving into a solution many vets, including mine, recommend. The Nutramax Proviable Kit for cats and small dogs. This isn't just a regular probiotic. It is a complete two-part system designed to stop an acute issue and then restore long-term gut balance. In this review, I'll break down what is inside, how to administer it, and if it really works as fast as people say. The Proviable Kit is what Nutramax calls a symbiotic approach, meaning it combines both probiotics and prebiotics. But the brilliant part is the two-step fix, designed for crisis and maintenance. Part 1, Proviable KP Paste. The kaolin and pectin are your emergency response. This tasty oral paste is designed to coat and soothe the GI tract while working fast to physically firm up loose stools. Part 2, Proviable DC Capsules. The dispersible capsules are the long-term solution. These capsules restore and maintain the beneficial bacteria in the gut. Let's look at the powerhouse ingredients. In the KP paste, you get kaolin and pectin. These are binding ingredients that help pull excess water out of the digestive tract, essentially solidifying stool quickly. In both the paste and the capsules, you get what matters most: 7 beneficial bacterial strains and prebiotics called fructooligosaccharides or FOS. The prebiotics act as food to help those 5 billion CFUs of probiotics flourish in your pet's gut. This is how you restore the healthy balance after an upset. Using the kit correctly is key. The pace is for the first 48 to 72 hours. The kit for cats and small dogs comes with 15 ml syringe. This dose is simple. Cats get 1 ml and small dogs under 20 pounds get 1 to 2 ml. You give this dose 2 to 3 times per day until the stool is firmed up. For the DC capsules, you give 1 capsule daily for the full 10 days even if the stool firms up fast. You simply twist, open the capsule, and sprinkle the powder over your pet's food. It is virtually odorless and tasteless, so even picky pets usually eat it without noticing. Based on the current 2025 user reviews, this stuff is incredibly fast and effective. The stool firmed up noticeably by the second day of using the paste. Reviewers consistently praise its ability to stop that unpleasant cycle of diarrhea quickly, especially after a diet change, dietary indiscretion, or the use of antibiotics. The DC capsules then work as advertised to soothe the inflammation and prevent the issue from immediately returning. For the final thoughts on quality, Nutramax is the number one veterinarian recommended supplement company, and that trust is well earned. The science is sound, the two step system addresses both the symptom and the cause, and the effectiveness is consistently reported. If your cat or small dog is going through a bout of sudden digestive trouble, the Proviable Kit is a highly effective, vet backed solution that you can keep in your pet first aid kit.